Think about this. Most homeowners pick a heat pump based on a name they recognize, but they never realize they might be paying a premium for a label while sacrificing the very tech that keeps their electric bill from exploding in January. I'm HVAC Repair Guy. I spent years as a Navy nuclear electrical operator before jumping into the residential HVAC world 17 years ago. I've seen what works in the field and what just looks good in a glossy brochure. Today we're looking at two very different ways to approach heating and cooling your home. On one side, we have the AireVantage AVV9V, and on the other, the Costway HCST09081. Both of these are ultimate tier units, but as you're about to see, ultimate means something very different depending on who built the box. Let's talk about what's actually protecting your investment. Both of these units move away from basic wire guards. The Costway utilizes slotted panel construction, which offers a significant step up in protection for those delicate condenser fins. The AireVantage counters with a full louvered steel panel. In the field, that's the difference between a stray rock from the lawnmower bouncing off the cabinet or flattening your coils. Now, if you're moving to a heat pump, you're probably doing it for the efficiency. The AireVantage is pushing an HSPF 2 of 10.5, while the Costway is sitting at 9.0. In real-world terms, that's the difference in how much extra work your heat strips have to do when the temperature drops. A higher HSPF 2 means more heat for less juice. Both of these units are packing variable speed compressors and fans. This is the gold standard for comfort. Instead of the system slamming on and off like a noisy freight train, these ramp up and down to maintain a steady temperature. But here's where the brand factor kicks in. AireVantage is produced in Mexico by Nortek Global HVAC, a company that was recently purchased by Rheem manufacturing. This means you're getting the engineering and supply chain support of one of the biggest names in the industry. Costway remains a value-oriented brand manufactured in China. When you buy the AireVantage, you're buying into the Rheem family's technical validation. Speaking of years, look at the warranties. AireVantage gives you 10 years across the board. Costway cuts that in half with only 5 years on parts and the compressor. In my world, a 5-year warranty on a premium inverter system is a massive red flag. It tells me the manufacturer doesn't expect it to outlast your car loan. Pricing tells the final story. For the AireVantage AVV9V, you're looking at an average equipment price of $4,850 with a full installation landing around $12,400. The Costway HCST09081 comes in much cheaper at $2,200 for the unit and about $7,800 installed. Before we get to the winner, remember that no matter which box you pick, it's only as good as the airflow. Keep your filters changed and your outdoor coils clean. If that outdoor unit can't breathe, it doesn't matter if it's the most expensive machine on the planet, it's going to fail. Winner AireVantage. Reason, look, I get the appeal of saving $4,000 on the install, but with a heat pump, reliability is everything. The AireVantage gives you significantly better heating efficiency, 10.5 versus 9.0 HSPF 2, the backing of Rheem manufacturing, and a warranty that is literally double the length of the Costway. You're paying for a system that has a major domestic support network behind it. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool at HVAC- for dashbeginners.com.